145 employees at LM Wind Power in Grand Forks tested positive for COVID-19. The spouse of one of those employees working at Highland Elementary School in Crookston has also tested positive. First of all, to shed some light on what happens if we hear anything about a child or family member of a child that might have some signs or symptoms or sick, ill, we immediately get that to our nurse, Lori Coet, said Highland School Principal Chris Trosted. She does a great job. She communicates with the Minnesota Department of Health almost daily, and so then when we ask for guidance, and Lori will get information back and share that with myself. We had a situation where we had an employee's spouse that tested positive about 5 days after that person had been working with one child in our daycare. Trosted said, contrary to other information that has been shared, the school reached out to the Minnesota Department of Health to notify them of the COVID-19 cases relation to the district and to seek guidance. Once we learned of that, we contacted the Minnesota Department of Health, said Trosted. I think there is some misinformation on some social media things I've read. Minnesota Department of Health did not notify us. We contacted them with Lori Coet, our nurse. They ended up sending us back some guidance. They classified it as a very low risk because neither the worker or child had any symptoms when they were together, and it was 5 days later when the employee's spouse tested positive. So I think we're doing a really good job with Lori communicating with families. They are doing a really good job about sharing potential issues, contacting the Minnesota Department of Health, getting guidance, and even sometimes MDH has a sample letter that I can send home to parents, notifying parents as much as we can. Trosted commended custodial staff who have been disinfecting the school throughout each day. Our custodial staff, I want to commend them too, said Trosted. They're cleaning and disinfecting like crazy. When kids go for lunch, they are going into the daycare area to disinfect. When kids go outside, they're going in to disinfect. I know everything is being disinfected as best as possible multiple times a day. So I just wanted the information out there that if we learn anything, we contact the Department of Health and look for guidance. Then whatever they tell us, that's what we've been doing. Lori Coet has been doing a great job of that, but I feel there has been some misinformation on social media. MDH didn't notify us. We notified MDH and asked for guidance. If any parents have any questions, they can contact me or Lori Coet at Highland School, and we'd be more than happy to answer any questions they might have. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for KROXAM.com.